Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain the VI characteristics of PN junction diode under forward and reverse bias. Aim of this experiment is to plot VI characteristics of silicon PN junction diode. Components required are a diode and resistors 1 kilo ohm and 10 kilo ohm, breadboard, regulated power supply and multimeters and connecting wires. So to plot VI characteristics in forward bias condition, we'll use one circuit, and to plot VI characteristics in reverse bias condition, we'll use another circuit. In forward bias condition, we use 1 kilo ohm resistor. The color coding of 1 kilo ohm resistor is brown, black and red. And in reverse bias, we are going to use 10 kilo ohm resistor. The color coding of this resistor is brown, black, orange. This is 10 kilo ohm resistor. And the diode which is to be used here is 1N4007. For this diode, you can see here a ring here, silver ring. This indicates cathode of this diode and other side is the anode. Silver ring indicates cathode and other side indicates anode. And ammeter and multimeter will take help of multimeters. Let's see the connections on the breadboard now. First we will be keeping regulated power supply plus, and to the other end of this we are going to keep resistor one end. Other end of the resistor goes to ammeter positive, ammeter negative goes to one end of diode, and at same node point we are going to use positive of voltmeter. This is regulated power supply where we are using only channel 1 here, and current knob should be maximum and voltage knob should be minimum before you switch on the supply. These two are digital multimeters. One is used as ammeter and another one is used as voltmeter. And this meter is being used as voltmeter. The range of voltmeter to be used is 0 to 20 volts. So same has been kept here. And the range of ammeter to be used is 0 to 20 milliamp. Here you can see 0 to 20 milliamp. So positive and negative wires. So these are the connections of forward bias circuit. In order to note down the observations of this experiment, we are going to take help of a tabular column. So in this tabular column, we are going to change the values of supply voltage from 0 to 15. Between 0 to 1, we can take step size of 0.1, 0.2, and then we are going to take step size of 1, 2, 3, 1 till 15. And we have to note down the corresponding readings in both meters. This is the reading coming from voltmeter and this is the reading coming from ammeter. Now let us see. Before you switch on the supply, make sure the current knob should be maximum and voltage knob should be minimum. And this should be in channel 1 because here we are using channel 1 connections. So that the voltage whatever we are keeping here will be displayed here. By varying the values there like 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, you can see the readings are getting changed in multimeters. You have to note down the corresponding readings and you should fill this table. Next, reverse bias. Before you switch off the supply, again make sure the voltage knob should be minimum. And in reverse bias condition, we are going to take 10 kilo ohm resistor now. Replace 1 kilo ohm resistor with 10 kilo ohm resistor on the breadboard with the previous connections and reverse the power supply terminals. Here you can see. Replace this 1 kilo ohm resistor with the 10 kilo ohm resistor and reverse these terminals. All other connections remain same. Now in order to note down the observations, here we are going to take 3 columns. One is supply voltage, second one is reverse bias voltage, and this is reverse bias current. And you need to change the step size here 1. You have to change from 0 to 15 and note down the corresponding readings in multimeter. These are the readings which you are going to obtain. Let's see that here. And range of the meter should be, ammeter should be changed from 0 to 200 microamp. And range of voltmeter should be 0 to 20 volts. And this is as it is like a previous forward bias circuit. And let's switch on the circuit. And by changing the power supply values, note down the readings in both meters. Just like in this way. First initially take supply voltage 0, note down the corresponding values, then take 1, note down the corresponding values and note down the readings. Based on these values, we are going to plot the graph. So the graph will look like this. That's all about this VI characteristics of PN junction diode.